Welcome to my series of showing my premium kits that I have received throughout a month. Due to the fact that a couple shipments came earlier than expected, I do actually have some April 2023 kits to show, so why don't we just get right on into it. This one here is the final kit that I need to complete not just the Pale Rider collection, but the Rider collection in total. This is the Pale Rider Cavalry. This here is from Advance of Zeta. There are a number of TR6 variations that Bandai has released. This one is the Woundwort. And another one, and yes, this is an HG. This here is the TR6 Hazen Kaylee 2 Ra. So this one is one of the big HGs, and it should be pretty fun to put together. Now that's it for the HG kits. So now I'm going on to the RGs. I've added a few more to my real grade Zaku 2 kits. This here is the Black TriStar. As well as the Uma Lightning. And the Eric Mansfield. Mantfields. This is everything except for one, which is the Gabby Hazard. And the Gabby Hazard is incredibly rare. So I don't know if I'll ever find one that is actually affordable. I've seen them on eBay, and they're selling for hundreds and hundreds of dollars. So who knows, I might get lucky one day to complete the entire set. This here is the real grade Zeta Gundam 3. And the final real grade to show, this here is the new Gundam heavy weapon system. And then the final two I have to show are master grade. So this here is the Destiny Impulse. This is the Gundam R version. This is from the C Destiny Astray R. The R stands for Regenes. I believe, I haven't seen that far into the series yet, but I believe the Regenes are the equivalent in seed of the advanced new types, because in seed, the controllers are the new types from, the equivalent of the new types from the original series. And this here is a limited Shin Musha Gundam. This is the, and I apologize if I mispronounce this, Shengoku no Jin Black Robe version. There is a Shingoku no Jin version that's not Black Robe, but this one's a bit rarer. And that's it for this month. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you for the next one. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, please do give it a thumbs up. That really does help out the channel. And if you would like to see more like this, please go ahead and subscribe and click the notification bell. If you do have some time, I would really appreciate it if you could watch one of the videos that are popping up around my head.